Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Calgary local and long distance movers near me. Our company aims at exceeding your expectations of a hassle free relocation. While distance might always overwhelm you from deciding over what company to hire, we provide you with a process in tray to refer to. Get a free quote and communicate your specified requirements. Budget with us wisely considering all additional costs. Schedule the packing days before or even on the same day. Packing according to fragility and sorting of your valuables. Deciding over the perfect vehicle for transportation. Unloading and positioning of the belongings and clearing the excess garbage accompanied by shifting. In comparison to long-distance moving, local shifting seems to be an easier option. In the age of epidemic, we practice collaboration, professional competence, and hygienic measures to seek your safety at all levels. The skilled staff is well experienced in providing informed guidance and category-wise shifting, be it your office or home. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Calgary moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.